Good morning, students. Now open your mental maths book, chapter 8, page number 20. Now see question number 1. The rate of zakat is 2.5%. This zakat is fixed. Okay, students. Now come to the question number 2. A plus B whole square. And you can see square. Square means power. And power is this, and this is a base. So it means that we will open our base how many times? 2 times. Okay, students, now you can see this is a binomial. This is a binomial. Why we call binomial? Because in this round bracket you can see here is 2 terms, A and B. 2 terms, A and B, 2 terms. So binomial multiply with binomial. Now come to the rough work I have done for you. Binomial multiply with binomial. Now first expression of binomial. Okay, students, now see. First term, write A, and that is the second term. These 2 terms come from where? These 2 come from the second binomial. A multiply with A, right? A multiply with A square plus A multiply with B, AB. This answer we will write it down over here in the first position, right? Now A plus B multiply with B. Now you can see second term of the binomial, and this is the first term of the binomial, right? 2 terms, first term and second term. So A multiply with A square plus A multiply with B, AB. Now B multiply with A, AB plus B multiply with B, B square. Now see, this is the second position of the binomial. So we will also write it down over here in the second position. And be careful about the variables. Variables should be same. Now A square plus and plus 2AB and plus B square. So now students, this is the answer of 2 binomials, right? Binomial multiply with binomial is equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So now come to the question number 2. So now here you have to write it down the answer of the 2 binomials. Okay. A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay. Okay, students, now see question number 3. Factorize 10A square minus 20. It's not 200, it's 20. Cut 1 0. A4B. Now in this we have to find out common numbers and common variables. So now come to the rough work. First of all we will write, open it, 10. How many times 10 come? 2 times 5, 10. A square, right? So open it, A dot A. A times A dot A means A square minus 20. How many times come? 2 times 10, 20. And 4. How many times we will open our A? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and B. Write it down as it is. Now students, take out common. Same variable, same numbers. Now cut 2 is over here, 2 is over here. Cut the 2. Then 5, no. Then A. 2A so in the left hand side and 2 in the right hand side. So cut the same variables. It means 2 is common. 2 is a factor, right? 2 is a common factor, and A square is also a common factor. Who is left? Just 5 is left. So write it down, 5 in a bracket, minus 10 is left, a square is left, and b. So this is the answer of this expression, right? So and now you have to write it down over here. 2a square, round bracket, 5 minus 10a square b. Now come to the question number 4. A square minus x. Again we will take common factor, and now you can see who is common over here? X. Okay, now come to the again rougher. Open the exponent, x dot x minus x. Now cut the same variables. Why we cut? Because this one is a common factor. That's why we will write it down common, right? Just one common. Okay. X multiply with x. It means x square, right? Minus x multiply with 1 x, right? So this is the answer of x square minus x, right? This is the answer of x square minus x. X round bracket, x minus 1. In this expression we have to just take common variable. That's it. Okay students? Okay, now come to the question number 5. Again we have two binomials and we have to do vertically multiplication. So now come to the rougher. Now you can see x plus a multiply with x plus b. Okay. Come in the rough column. X plus a multiply with x. X is the first term and b is the second term, right? So x multiply with x, x square plus ax. X multiply by b, xb plus ab, right? Now this is the first term, so write it on the first position. X square plus ab. Second position, second variable, bx plus ab, and you can also write it down xb, no problem, right? Plus ab. Now students, you can see here variable x is same but second variables are different. A and b are two different variables, so we will just write it down as it is with the addition operation. We will not add them. Now come x square, write it down as it is, plus ax, first write it down, addition operation, bx plus ab. Now you can see which variable is common. So you can see x is common. So we will write it down outside x. And who is left inside? A plus b, right? Plus ab. So this is whole expression is the answer of two binomials, right? So this answer we will write it down over here. X plus a, x plus b is equals to a square plus round bracket a plus b round bracket close x plus ab. Okay students? Now come to the question number 6. What is a binomial? A polynomial having two terms is called a binomial. A polynomial having two terms like this. In this you can see two terms a and b. Now see question number 7. A minus b whole square. In the second question we done with the addition operation. Now in the question number 7 we have subtraction. So again, a minus b one term, a minus b second. Why? Because you can see square exponent, right? So it means that we open our base how many times? 2 times. Now again come to the rougher. Again we will do vertically multiplication. Now are you ready? A multiply with a square, plus minus minus, a multiply with b, ab, right? Now come to the second position, second variable, plus minus minus, right students? B multiply with a, ab, ba, both the meanings are same. Minus b multiply with minus b, minus minus plus, and variable is b square. So now do addition, a square minus minus plus, but sign will be the same, and plus b square. So again this is the answer of 2 binomials. So now come over here and write it down. A minus b multiply with a minus b is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay students. Now students, come to the question number 8. A symbol having a fixed value is called constant. Now 9. Express in descending order. Descending order means that we have to write it down exponents in the descending order. Descending order means bigger to smaller. Now students, you can see which exponent is bigger. 4. So this term come first. Then 3 minus 3x cube comes second term. Then square, right? Then here is no exponent. It means it has 1. Plus 5. Here is no variable. It means here is the variable and exponent is 0. And we know that whenever the exponent is 0, base is x, exponent is 0, this is equal to 1. So when we put this value over here, right, 5 times 1 is 5. So 5 is the constant number. Okay, that one is the last. Okay, now come to the question number 10. Name the coefficient and variables. Now in this expression you have to find out variable and coefficient. Coefficient is 4. Variable is x, and 5 is constant. Okay. Now students, do this work on your mental maths books and also rough work in your copies on mental maths side. Okay. Please students, note down. Thank you.